When you do what's right when nobody's looking, people are watching you. I am so grateful to this company. Somebody's seeing something in me that I didn't see in myself. And that is so powerful.
My name is Andrea Harrell. My role here at Saint-Gobain, I'm a quality technician. We test sample films that they extrude. I always told my team here, I'm feeling at ease because this department reminds me of cooking, and I like to cook. Food is a science as well as what we do here, and it all just meshed to me. I started out here as a quality inspector, not knowing anything about quality, not knowing anything about engineering. However, I was open. I've been in manufacturing for a number of years. I made a decision. I went back to school in 2013. Things had a different plan. Somehow, some way, I landed here at Saint-Gobain because I really needed to work. This woman had been noticing me when I didn't think anybody was. And she said, listen, there's this position open. I think you would be a great fit. Maybe 2 weeks later, here she is again. Did you apply? And I was like, no. I said, I don't think I'm gonna. Come with me. She grabs me. The supervisor said, I got your application. Maybe a week later, I got the job. If you do the right things for the right reasons, you always get the right results. It was like, Andrea, you're doing so well. We have a quality technician position. And they moved me from an inspector to a technician. The guys were telling me, you can do it. You really can do it. Just remove all that nervousness, get that out of the way, and just do it, no matter what. You continue on your journey. I came here and I blew myself out of the water. I wasn't a math person. I love numbers now. It's been a beautiful ride. In today's society, we as women, we can't allow anything to get in our way. We have to be a force within ourselves, encourage ourselves, do the opposite of what you thought you couldn't do. I have 2 adult children. They always push me. I know they're proud of their mother. They are. It's just rewarding when you open yourself up to something new, something you've never done before. I was so intimidated, but it turned out in my favor. And it always does when you just give yourself a chance. My name is Andrea Harrell, and I am a manufacturer.